Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week. And in this video, we'll take a look at Matic or Pol. I'm actually not sure what happened. I mean, Matic should be Pol right now, right? Or that's a different token. No, it's the same token. It's the same price, right? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what they're doing right now, but I'm still a fan of Polygon. I know some of you are as well. So I just wanted to do an update on that. We'll talk about the technicals. Perhaps some fundamentals blended in. I mean, right now, the most important fundamental you should know about is that Bitcoin is showing some momentum again, which is partially also because the dollar strength index is quite bearish, which is, in general, that just makes the situation in the markets bullish for Matic as well. It seems like the bigger altcoins are also moving quite well. Like Solana has performed very well, XRP has performed well, Cardano has been doing quite well, and Matic also, but it's lagging behind a bit. So that means two things: either that Matic is a bit weaker, or that means that Matic will still get that push. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk about. In terms of total value locked, there's nothing going on with Matic. It's just doing its own thing. It's fairly high, but then again, you would like to see some growth. But all right, so what I wanted to check out first is actually the daily time frame for Matic, because I was looking at this yesterday, and what has seemed to happen is that Matic, it was trying to break above this level right here between 69 and 70 cents. That was the main resistance level on the daily time frame. And what it did is it did not break above any of those except for the 200 EMA, and it looks like it has actually found that as support, so that it actually is a bullish breakout, which does mean something, because breaking above the 200 EMA on the daily time frame, which is a very strong resistance level, does mean that it's bullish. So just in general, and apart from that, I see no reason why Bitcoin would all of a sudden turn bearish. I think Bitcoin will actually hold this bullish momentum and at some point of time rally up higher. Taking into account all of that, I'm bullish on Matic. All right, the next price target in my eyes, it's a bit weird because there's basically resistance at 73, 74, 77. In my eyes, it would really be around like 74, 75 as a resistance. You can see on the daily time frame again, that's the 0.618 fib, for example. It's basically like if you would want to take an area, it would be something like this. So between, let's say 76.5 cents and 74 cents. It's quite a big area, but sometimes that's needed. So the most likely scenario in my eyes is that we do get there. All right. Matic also broke above 70 cents right here with this candle earlier. So I see also out of this trend line, which isn't that special, but still it's an indication. So there's no reason, at this moment at least, that Matic would not push above 71 cents and get up towards that price target between 74 and 76.5 cents. Those are my thoughts. Now, obviously, I mean, I do want to, I think that's everything you need to know, but I do want to stress that I do not think Bitcoin will crash. I do not think Bitcoin will turn bearish. That does not mean it cannot happen. All right, it could still happen. Like Bitcoin, if it breaks down below 34,500, for example, then, that's a bearish breakout. And who knows what will happen afterwards. And then this scenario is invalid. Then Matic will drop down. So be mindful about that. Know that that's a possibility. But at this moment, like I said, there's really nothing bearish about Matic. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, if you want more value, if you want to make some profits trading and become a better trader yourself, consider joining one of my premium groups, or at least I have a premium group. I have a signals group. I think if you want to know the difference about it, links to that will be down in the description. But it will 100% make you a better trader, and it will 100% make you profitable or more profitable as well. The results, for example, from the signal group are made public every single month. And you can check that out for yourself. Fully transparent. Links to that will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.